Hi, welcome to Telugu One Food. I'm your host Chef Savio Pereira and today we'll be making pan-seared fish with lemon butter sauce. Along with the dish, we have some accompaniments like sauté spinach and coin potatoes. Let's get started. For the dish, we have steak of fish which we have already fillet and cut it into around 150 grams of steak sizes. Apart from this, we have some clean spinach leaves. We have removed the stem of the spinach, as you can see. Apart from this, we have some peeled potatoes. We have some chopped parsley, chopped garlic. We have some butter. We have few lemon. We have some thyme. We have salt, pepper and olive oil. So first, we'll marinate the fish. Salt, pepper, lemon juice, thyme, some olive oil. Now mix this well. Make sure that you marinate your fish properly so that all the salt and the herbs go inside the fish. We'll just keep it aside to rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Till then, we'll start making our coin potatoes. So for the coin potato, we have one large size potato. You need to cut the edge just a little bit so you can make it stand. Just from the center, you can cut the potato into two. So you have two equal sizes here. Now again trim it on this side. Similarly for the other one. Once this is done, we will take a nice round cutter and cut it. You can use the trimmings to make mashed potatoes or some other potato dish. In case if you feel that you do not have a proper equipment to cut this, you can also cut it into any other size or shape like you desire. Now as you see, our potato is nice into coin size. If you still feel you need to trim off the edges, you can do so. Now, as you can see, the potatoes are nice and round in shape. Now you can keep this aside so you can use it later on to give as an accompaniment for the fish. So till our fish is getting marinated, we already have the potatoes cut and ready. Now we'll keep some water for boiling to blanch our potatoes. We'll just add some salt to the water. Once the water is boiled, we will just blanch the potatoes for around 5 minutes so it is firm but not totally cooked. Now our water is boiling rapidly. We have our potatoes ready. Now we'll put in the potatoes and cook it for around 5 minutes. So meanwhile, till our potatoes get ready, we will start cooking our fish. Just take around a tablespoon of oil. You can also use refined oil or sunflower oil if you want to cook your fish. Make sure whenever you're cooking the fish, your pan is hot enough. Otherwise, your fish will start sticking to the pan. It is also advisable if you have a non-stick pan at home, you can use the non-stick pan for cooking your fish. Now our pan is hot. We'll start cooking the fish. So whenever you're cooking the fish, make sure you put the fish skin side down first on the pan. We let this cook for around 2 minutes so that the skin becomes crispy. So now our fish is cooked from the bottom. We'll just flip it over. If you feel your fish is becoming too dry, you can just still the pan, take out the oil and just start drizzling on the fish again. So it will keep it moist. Now our fish has been nicely seared from the bottom side as well. At this stage, if you feel, you can cook it in the oven at a temperature of 160 degrees for 7 minutes. If you have a convection oven at home or a OTG, if not, you can continue cooking on a slow flame for around 5 to 7 minutes. It's been 5 minutes and our potato has been cooked. Now we'll just take it out and keep it aside till our pan gets heated. Our pan is heated now. Now we'll add a teaspoon of oil to it and a teaspoon of butter. Nicely melt the butter. Now we'll add the potatoes to it. Some salt for seasoning, some pepper. Now we'll cook the potatoes till it is golden brown in color. So now our potatoes have turned golden brown on one side. Now we'll flip it over and again cook it for 2 minutes till it turns the same golden brown in color. Even for the potatoes, if you think that one side is getting too dry, you can take the oil and you can baste your potatoes. So this way your potato stays moist. So now you see our potato is cooked, both sides golden brown. Now we'll take it out on a paper so that it can drain off excess oil. Now sprinkle some chopped parsley. Now we'll saute our spinach, some olive oil in the pan, chopped garlic, around 1 tablespoon, now our garlic is fragrant. Now we'll put the spinach into it. Make sure whenever you are putting your spinach into the pan should be very hot, so that the spinach does not leave a lot of water. Now we'll season with some salt, some pepper. Now you can turn off the flame. Our fish is ready. Take it out of the pan and keep it aside. Now you can use the same pan that you have used for the fish. Now we'll start making our lemon butter sauce. Make sure your pan is hot enough. Now we'll add a tablespoon of butter to it, a little bit of stock, now mix it well. Now we'll add some salt, pepper, and finally a lemon wedge. You can squeeze out the juice in it. Let the sauce reduce a little, just for 5-6 seconds, and then you can turn off the flame. Finish the sauce with some parsley. Our lemon butter sauce is now ready. So let's plate our fish. You can place the potatoes on the center. Then take the fish and place it right on top of the potatoes. Now for the spinach, we'll just place it on the side. Now finally, top it up with the lemon butter sauce. Sprinkle some chopped parsley for garnish. So a grilled fish with coined potatoes and sauteed spinach ready.